Good morning all students. So this is our third video. We have started the revision tour of class 11th, and so far we have covered so many points. So today we are going to cover the point number 4 and 5. Up to point 3 we have covered in the two videos, and today we will cover the other category of operator and punctuator. Also, after watching the video, you need to take a brief test. So before going to start the other operators and punctuators, let's briefly revise what we have studied in two videos. So we have started tokens in the revision of class 11th, and these tokens can be categorized into the 5 categories, and these categories are the keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and the punctuators. So let's see briefly again the definitions of these subcategories of tokens. Firstly, we have studied the keywords, and the keywords, as you know, that the keywords are the reserved words which have a special meaning to compiler, and you cannot use these keywords as identifiers. And the identifiers are the names given by a programmer to the variable, functions, and the other objects. Whatever you declare from your side in the programmer become the identifiers, and we have seen some examples of identifiers like a, b, age, amount, a1, underscore a1, and we have also studied that there are some rules to declare an identifier, like you cannot start the name of identifier with the digits, but you can start the name of identifier with underscore. Underscore is a valid character in the identifiers. You can use anywhere in the identifiers. And next we have discussed about the literals. Literals are actually the constant value. Wherever you give any fixed value to any identifiers or any variables, and that value is known as a literals. Okay, so literals are actually the constant, and similarly if you want to declare an integer constant, like you can declare 10, and the floating point constant or decimal constant you may write it as a 12.5, or here is a string constant like comp is a word, and it is known as a string constant, and any type of string constant must be written in a single quote or double quote or a triple quote. There is also a boolean constant, and boolean constant may be declared as true or false. One thing over here you need to remind that the boolean constant must not be given to the single quote, double quote, or triple quote. There is also a special type of constant which is the complex constant. Why I am saying this is the special of type of constant, because this is the complex constant, and no other programming language support the complex value constant, but the Python does. And the complex constant can be declared as 3 plus 5i. Okay, and the next we have discussed about the operators, and the operators are the actually special, you may say, the letter which is used to compute the values of any data, any variable or any constants. And there are some categories of constant we have discussed in the second video. The arithmetic constant, we have discussed the arithmetic operators, relational operators and logical operators, and today we will discuss the other operators. Over here the bitwise operator, and the first one, as you see that the and sign is written, and it is known as a bitwise AND operator. And in the second you see there is a cap sign, and it is read as bitwise XOR constant. And third one, that is a pipe sign, and it is read as bitwise OR operator. These operators actually compute on the binary numbers of any number. So next category of the operators is the shift operators, and that is the left shift and right shift. Another type of constant, that is the identity operators, and identity operators is each operator, and it is used with two variables. If two objects having the same value, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. And the similar manner is not operators. If the two variable do not have same value, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So here is one example of identity operator. Suppose you have two variables a and b, and you have given the value 5 to variable a and value 6 to variable b, and suppose you write a is b, and after compilation of this code and after running of this code, you will get the result false, because the value of a is not equal to the value of b. And suppose you write a is not b, you will get true, because a is not equal to b. This is statement true, and therefore it will return true. Another operators are the membership operator, that is in and not in operator. When you search for a value in the given set of value, and if that value is present in that particular set of value, then it will return true. And in the similar manner, the not in operator returns the value true if the given value or constant is not present in the given set. So you can understand the definition of this membership operator by this example. So suppose you have written that 2 in list 1 2 3, and 2 is present, as we know that, so therefore the value will be return true. And suppose you have given another statement, and you have written that 2 not in 2, because 2 is there, and so this is false, because 2 is there in the list, so therefore it will return false. Next the last category of the tokens is the punctuators. The punctuators are the special symbols used in the programming language to organize the sentence. These are the open parentheses, close parentheses, and the square brackets, curly brackets, colon, hash, slash, dot, comma, single quote, @ and some many more punctuators are there. And actually these punctuators also used to construct the structure of any instruction or any statement in the program. So this is all for today, and after watching this video you need to take a test on the topic token and the revision 2 of part 1, 2 and 3. So I am going to upload a short video of questions, and after watching that video you need to give your response or your answer in the separate message to me, and so till then, bye bye.